morning.
Good morning.
Okay, class, so this is the agenda. First, we will do the icebreakers, and then we will do formal and informal phrases.
All we know is that AI has a very positivity impact.
AI could lead to widespread job loss and economic disruption.
iRobot brings a lot of benefits to our customer life. They enable our customer to save time and energy in cleaning work.
Okay, so I thought your presentation was fantastic. Your English was very, very good. There's room for improvement mostly in your presentation skills, in that you're constantly looking at the screen and you're going back to the screen. Remember, eye contact with your audience is very important.
Sure. One glass, two glasses. Glasses. Contracts.